Hello everyone! Let's make Mochi Waffles. This is Ube and Pandan Flavors. Let's begin! In a bowl, combine 1 1/4 cups glutinous rice flour, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. In a separate bowl or cup, combine 3/4 cup fresh milk, 1 large egg, and half teaspoon vanilla. Then combine the liquid ingredients with the flour mixture. To make Ube flavor, just add half teaspoon ube extract. Same with pandan flavor, just add 1/2 teaspoon pandan extract. Now the fun part, cooking the waffles. I made 3 batches. One is plain, the other one is ube, and pandan. Using this waffle maker, it only took about 1 minute or so. You can top it with honey or maple syrup, or you can make your own ube glaze or pandan glaze. I'll show you the recipe at the end of the video. You can top it with blueberries or any fruits of choice. These waffles are soft and very chewy. You should try this recipe. It's super easy and delicious. Okay, for the glaze, combine 1/2 cup powdered sugar, 1/2 tablespoon fresh milk, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla, and 1/4 teaspoon ube extract. Stir well until smooth. Now, drizzle this delicious ube glaze over your waffles. Do the exact measurement for the pandan flavor. More recipes at PinoyCookingRecipes.com. Thanks for watching!